afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is my third Q&A Wednesday in a row, and if you've been keeping track, no, I have changed clothes, or I normally do change clothes, but I'm doing these 3 Q&As to get them ready for these next 3 weeks, because we've got some awesome projects for you lined up. But until then, it's Q&A Wednesday. Oh, this is my favorite channel name. So our question comes to you from the Swedish Death Llama. Ding! You know, is there any way you can create an icon for that Swedish Death Llama?
Yeah.
I think that would be fun. Swedish Death Llama! Ding! Oh, so awesome. What concrete floor finish do you recommend in lieu of using resilient vinyl? Epoxy plus urethane seems to be common. So, Swedish Death Llama, it's not that I'm recommending something besides vinyl flooring and a resilient flooring system. It's, excuse me, I got the hiccups. It's that I just know that concrete is not the best substrate, especially with the alkali content and the moisture content. So unless you have a very good concrete that has limited vapor emission and limited salt migrating to the surface, you want to put some type of a coating or a primer over that to limit the moisture and the salts that would cause the adhesives of our vinyl flooring system to go through hydrolysis, break down, and then from there you get delamination. So yeah, an epoxy urethane combination is not bad. There are some epoxies by themselves that are really good. Using a concrete with an exposed aggregate that has a sealer on the surface is also good too. With that, you could do some staining, and I prefer that, especially if it's a low impact floor. It's just the natural look of the concrete, or some artistry of concrete that you can do with other elements. I'm not a big fan of the resilient flooring system. Here in our lab, with all the chemicals that we tend to use, we put a very high grade epoxy coating on the surface of our concrete slabs. But we did do a muriatic acid clean, and then we of course cleaned it from there. And from there we put a primer on, and on top of the primer we put an epoxy coating, and then on top of that we put, on top of that primer we put our metallic epoxy coating from there. So hopefully you learned something. Thanks for the question, Swedish Death Llama. A ding! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ding that bell for notifications. Go concrete!
Beat asphalt!